Hey guys, I'm back with another room makeover. This is a big girl room makeover for my daughter. She's going to be turning 4 soon, so we had to get rid of her toddler bed slash crib and get her a big bed. We ended up getting a twin size bed, and this is what we have going on right now because her original bed sold really fast. I put it on Facebook Marketplace and it was gone the next day. I was not prepared for that. So her mattress came in, and we're going to unbox that in a minute, but this is what the room is looking like right now. Please forgive the mess.
Oh yeah, and then we also moved her dresser over here. It's kind of an awkward place, but we're gonna try it out. We can always move it back if needed. I just figured this would be a good option because the bed is going to be so much bigger and definitely needs to go against that wall, so that way she won't be kind of squished between here and here, because the dresser used to be here on this wall, so there's enough room around the bed, but we will see.
Okay, so this is the mattress that we got. We always get foam mattresses, and this brand has not done us wrong. It's very comfortable, it's memory foam, and it's super affordable. I usually order them off Amazon, but I think you can get them off Wayfair as well. Her bed frame is on the way, so we'll just be using the mattress for now.
All right, this is what it's looking like. And then all we need is the bed and the protective mattress cover, of course. She is fully potty trained, but accidents happen. So I think this is a good placement. I wish I could get a better view. The room is kind of small. This is from right in front of the closet. She'll be excited. And then I think I made a good decision about moving the dresser, because look how much clearance she has on both sides of the bed now. So this side of the bed and then this side of the bed. And if the dresser was still there, it would be half as much space. So we're gonna keep it like that. And then she has a good amount here to get to her closet and the door. Alright, also got the Zenus box spring because her bed requires a box spring, but I will put that together a little bit later. Okay, we're entering the room, and here is the bed that we just put together. It makes the room look so much smaller. Okay, don't mind that. My daughter's messing with the pillows. But here is the room from the closet angle. The bed. I'm loving the bed so far. I think it was the right choice. It was hard for me to decide between this color and white.
Okay, so here I have my trusty assistant helping me install the box spring and then the bed skirt. And then we will be putting on the mattress together. I just got a pretty simple bed skirt from Target, plain white. And then I also got her sheets from Target.
Okay, here is the bed. Gotta finish putting the room together. Still don't know what I'm gonna do. I am waiting on a nightstand. I'm probably gonna put it on this side of the bed. Excuse the stuff on the floor. But speaking of, this nightstand has like a little basket at the bottom of it, and so it's gonna hold all those stuffed animals and stuff, so it's gonna be perfect for her. And I think we're gonna keep the dresser where it is. Excuse the mess. And then definitely want to move the mirror. I don't know about the chair. I might put the chair here. Was gonna try to get a bean bag, but I think the chair would be fine. So more work to go, but the bed is done. and I'm pretty happy with it. So this is what we ended up getting from Walmart. When you put it together, it's pretty simple to put together, and this tray is removable. But I don't know if it's just me, but this is not white. And when I bought it, I thought it was white. It said white, and so that's what I wanted. But yeah, I kind of feel like it throws off the decor because there's nothing really that color. Everything's white. Her dresser's white. So I am gonna take it back, and I ordered a different one from Target along with this basket to kind of put at the bottom of the nightstand that I got from Target. So we will see. And as you can see, I'm still undecided on art, so I don't know if I want to use this shadow box or, excuse the mess on her bookshelf, this frame with some art. But yeah, still trying to figure that out. But I did get this super cute lamp, nighttime lamp from Amazon, and it's not charged right now, so it's not turning on, but basically it kind of shows these shapes on the ceiling whenever you turn it on, or it could just be like a regular bedside lamp. Okay, so I wanted to show a before. It's just a builder grade light. I'm gonna take that down now. Okay, so this is the frame that I've had like forever from IKEA. I'm wanting to use this. I got my poster print. I got an Etsy
Digital print.
I found a print that I liked, so I ordered it, and it was just like a digital print. And so had it printed at Walmart, and this is what it came out looking like.
But mommy says on my art because it's not.
And that's how Zara feels about it. So yeah, this is the print, and I'm just gonna lay it down just to make sure it fits. And let me see if you guys can see. I think it fits pretty well. So I'm gonna go ahead and open the frame and put the art in, and I'll show you guys what that's looking like.
So I love IKEA frames because they're very affordable and easy to use, but note they are not glass. So the cover in the front, which is typically glass in a frame, is not glass. It's kind of like a fiberglass material or plastic. I'm not really sure, but as you can see, it's kind of flexible, and it has a film on both sides, so you have to peel that off on both sides. I'm not going to right now because I want to see how it's fitting in there first, and then if I like how it fits, I'll go ahead and commit and peel off both sides and install the artwork. And I forgot to mention, if you're interested in learning about any of the other things in the room, like wallpaper or the art or anything like that, go ahead and check out my previous video, DIY Toddler Girls Bedroom Makeover, and I'll have all the information that is not in this video in there. Alright, it's a little dark in here, but here's what it's looking like, and I think I love it. So yeah, I think this is the option, so now I can let go of the other two ideas. So now we just have to put in her chandelier. This is my attempt. I tried to put it in, but our junction box is a little different. So for whatever reason, I couldn't find the two holes to screw the light fixture in. So I'm gonna have to call an electrician. That's as far as my electrician expertise goes as far as light fixtures, but that's disappointing. But so we just have to wait for that, and then I think everything is just about done. May or may not add some more bedding. Her room's a mess right now, so please ignore. But yeah, may add some new bedding, may not, we'll see. All right. Also wanted to show off this super cute pompous flower. So this was another option that I was thinking about putting on the wall.
I actually purchased 2 and doubled it because with just one it's kind of thin. But yeah, this is from Hobby Lobby. If anyone's looking for anything like this, I thought it was super cute. It was 50% off, so pretty much got 2 for the price of 1 and just combined them with like a piece of tape in the middle. So yeah. So right before I was about to order some bulbs for her chandelier, I found these. And I don't know why we have them, but they fit perfectly. So I'm gonna install these and then I'll show you the finished product. By the way, this is what they look like. And here is the chandelier. All right, here's the light off and here's it on. Very bright. So now I'm going to touch up some paint. I don't know if you can see those lines on the wall, but they're from the bookshelf. The bookshelf's supposed to be screwed in, but I don't want to commit to that. We'll probably move it every once in a while, and my daughter doesn't really mess with it, so I feel safe to keep it the way it is. So I'm gonna go ahead and paint over those marks and then clean up her room.
Her bedding just arrived and this is what it's looking like. I love it. It was pretty affordable and I ordered it from Amazon. It was pretty much half the price of the Pottery Barn bedding that I was looking at, and this one looks pretty high quality to me, and who wants to spend a fortune for a 4-year-old's bedding? So this is what I ended up purchasing. I'm really liking it, and it has florals which go perfectly with the theme. I think it complements the room really well. It just needs a little bit of steaming. It does have a ruche effect originally, so it does look a little wrinkled. So I think with a little steaming, it would be perfect. And I ended up getting the XL, the twin XL. So if you're wondering how that fits, this is a typical XL size bed and mattress, and it fits just fine. And now for the reveal. I'm really happy with how this turned out, and most of all that I finished it. I'm usually very busy working on my clients' homes, so the fact that I can say I am actually done with a room is a huge accomplishment. So my daughter loves it. She now has her big girl room. I feel like this is going to last her well into the next few years. And there's her little doll bed right there. She loves having her dolls and her, what she calls babies, her stuffed animals in her room. But yeah, I think this is going to be set for the next few years until she gets older and decides that she wants something new. guys for reaching the end of this video and taking time out of your day to watch it. I hope you enjoy the transformation and that this inspires you. I will be coming back with some more content pretty soon, so stay tuned. Thanks again for watching and definitely subscribe. See you soon.